everyone, this is Jackie Williams. Thank you for joining me. In this video, I want to share with you the Notes and Totes bundle. And this is quite a fun one, and it is found on page 81 of the annual catalog, or of course in the online store. And this set has quite a large die set with a lot of different images. You've got fence, tag, bottle, bag accessories, sunglasses, seashells, newspaper, just a whole lot of things. So I've got quite a few samples to share with you at the end, but wanted to just show you a couple of ways you can use this. Now, of course, the bag die is one of the main features of this whole die set. And one of the ideas that you can do with the bag is actually create a 3D little gift bag or treat bag. It's small, so it would probably more for treats or maybe a piece of jewelry. But I just wanted to show you how that goes together. So I have put tape on the right side of one piece and then on the wrong side of the other piece. And then I put the tape on one side of the bottom piece. So those are actually going to fold in, and that's a tiny little glue tab. So what I will do is put the right sides together at the bottom, making sure to line those up like this. And then those little tabs on the side, make sure they're in the bag like that. And then we'll pull the tape off of these side pieces. And then it just folds up like this. And I think it works quite well to have these two little skinny tabs here, that the crease for both of those just kind of nest within each other. Okay, and there we go. So that makes the little bag. And of course you have accessories that can go on the bag. So here's one that is finished. You've got a little bottom piece and some straps and handles, and then I've just added that cute little tag. And then you could fill that up with some treats or tissue paper or just other small gifts. Okay, now we can also use the bag for flat projects, which I'll show you some at the end, but let's make a card. And in this card, I'm going to use lots of the things in the set. So I went to the Design Spark sketchbook. I thought this layout here was a good opportunity to showcase some different things out of the die set. And if you want this book, the link is in the video description. And the great thing is that all the measurements are there. So you just have to cut and then add your elements. Okay, so we'll start with a card base of 5 by 10 inches, and this is cloud cover. Okay, and then I have a piece of basic white for the front. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on because there's no other things we need to do to that. And I made some squares also out of cloud cover, and these I have embossed with the joined together embossing folder. I don't know if you can see that very well, but I think this embossing folder is really quite fun. You get all sorts of different prints on it. So I'll go ahead and put these on, and I'm going to put these on just a little bit, not too straight, like this. Now we'll set this aside. We'll build on that later. And then I have my 4 white squares, and I am going to put a little bit of Daffodil Delight in the middle of each of those. Okay, now let's start with the first square, and for this one I want to use the fence. Now there is another paling for the fence, but these squares are very small, so we're just using 2. I'll put that I don't know what the proper term is, and I was told on the weekend, but now I can't remember, but the skinny one that goes horizontally. And these ones, I'm actually going to cut them about in half, and we'll use 3 of them, maybe 4, we'll see how we go. And I'll just put those on also a little bit on angles. But you can of course put them on straight as you wish. And they're not quite reaching the bottom, but we're going to put some things there to cover that, like this. And then I have cut the seashells, and this one's in Fresh Freesia and Blackberry Bliss. So we'll put that there to cover up the bottom of the fence. Okay, and then we'll use some of these irregular iridescent pearls down here at the bottom. Okay, so something like that. Okay, we'll set that one aside. And now for our next one, I have cut the little pocket that's in this die set out of cloud cover, but I actually cut it out of the two-tone paper. So I'm just going to sand it a little to give it just kind of a worn back pocket sort of an effect. And put that on. Actually, I want to put that on with dimensionals. Okay, put that on about like here. And then we have what I think is one of the cutest parts of this whole die set are the sunglasses. So I've cut the sunglasses, so it comes in 2 parts. You have the lenses and the frames. So I cut the lenses out of silver foil, and then the frames out of the Friends for Life papers. It's got a nice multicolored look. So I've adhered those sunglasses just onto the pocket and added a pearl. Now for our next square, I've cut out the bag out of the Fresh Freesia two-toned and used the lighter side for this. And then I have embossed that with the Glass and Gardens embossing folder. Personal favorite. Love this one. And I'm using the deboss side. So I'm going to just sand that a little. Just to bring out that print. I will cut away this folded edge, or you could just fold it back. And I want to sit my bag like this so that we're just seeing part of the bag, like this. We're seeing the edge. Okay, then we'll just trim away the excess. I know I didn't need to cut it this big, but I wanted you to see where the elements came from. Okay, now it doesn't look much like a bag at this point, but if we add the other parts, then it will. So we'll add, I think we're only going to need 1 strap. We'll add the strap, and then the handle. I've got some of these glue dots left over from a kit, and they're actually quite handy. Now the handle is a little bit large, and it's going to fit a little awkwardly. So what I'm going to do is put the one side down and then the other side. So that loop is a little bit strained, but I have a little tip for how we're going to manage that. And then we'll add our scarf. Now I've cut this scarf out of the flowers. I believe it's called Flower Garden foil, and it has just a little bit of a texture to it. There we go. Okay, we'll add that. And let's add another pearl to our bag. We'll just put it there like a little clasp. Okay, then our final section, we're just going to stamp some words. I'll do the just a note. And I have this heart left over from the inside of those sunglasses frame. So we'll just use that. Okay, so now we just need to put these onto our card. Oops, I didn't want to do that one first. Let's do our words first. Now, I put the blue pieces on an angle, but I'm going to put all the white ones on straight. And you need to put this one on before the one with the seashells, because we'll hide the handle underneath. And if it's really straining, you could always snip the handle so that it's not pulling. But that one wasn't too bad. Okay, so there we go. That is our card finished. And we've used quite a few of the elements from this die set, and it's very cute. So here's another one that I made, this time using more of the pinks. I've used Pretty in Pink and Strawberry Slush, but the same concept, both very cute. Now I have some other samples to share with you. So here's one just using those adorable sunglasses. I really wanted to make one just featuring those cute sunglasses. And I've used the Friends for Life papers because it's got quite a few rainbow prints in that one. This is a more masculine variation of the card that I've made with you in this video. And I didn't cut squares. Instead, I used that pocket die for my 4 elements. And I paired that with the Trusty Tools die set and just tucked some tools inside of those pockets. I thought that was quite a fun one that my husband will enjoy. And then this sample, or I should say these samples, are inspired by Tammy Wilson. Oops, upside down. Are inspired by Tammy Wilson and a card that she made and shared. I just changed it up a little bit, but I thought it was a really nice one, and I liked using those woven textures papers here with the bag. Okay, then this sample's a little more of a simple one, but I've tucked in that sunscreen tube and maybe aloe vera, I'm not sure, but the little pump bottle and the sunscreen tube, and added some of the fine tip glue on top of those glasses to give them a little bit of a shine. This card doesn't actually use the Notes and Totes dies, but I've used the words that are quite nice. Just sending warm wishes and the just a note are very general and can be used with, of course, your other things that you have in your craft room. And then I've also made a little 8x8 layout, and I didn't go find a photo for it yet, but I thought it was pretty cute and fun using the 2-toned papers and tucking in those seashells. I think that I'll probably end up putting a black and white photo on there so those colors really pop. And those are all my samples for you in this video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you know someone who'd also enjoy this video, please feel free to share with them. I always appreciate it. And of course, leave me a comment and subscribe. This is Jackie Williams, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.